I have always been asked which grinder I use every day, and honestly, I think I have one of the best ones you can have at home. In fact, I just bought my second T64 Flat Burr Grinder, and here's why I love it and what I think needs to be improved. First of all, you get all you need in the box: a manual, a cleaning brush, a dosing cup which fits perfectly on any 58mm portafilter, a blower, and a lid, and the coffee grinder itself. I believe the most important feature of a good grinder is consistency, which the T64 nails. It has 64mm titanium-coated flat burrs that produce an even grind every single time, which means better extraction and more flavor in the cup. The second thing I love about it is that it's a low-retention grinder, so almost no coffee gets stuck inside. 9 out of 10 times I'm getting coffee grounds exactly as much as I put in. That means less waste, less mess, and fresher coffee in every shot. The next thing I love is its massive range, from fine enough for espresso to coarse enough for French press and cold brew, and everything in between. Plus, the stepless adjustment gives you complete control with micro-precision dialing. I also need to give a plus in build quality. Full metal body, solid and premium in the hand, but still way more affordable than other grinders in its class. It feels like a piece of pro equipment without the crazy price tag. It's a super easy grinder to use as well. It comes perfectly adjusted and ready to use. All you need is to take it out of the box, and with 2-3 shots, you can dial it in for a perfect espresso. There is one thing I wish it had to make it even better, and that's a plasma generator. Even though it's a flat burr grinder with a bit of water spray, you'll get almost no static, but it would be a perfect feature for it. All in all, I love this grinder, and I think if you're serious about making great espresso at home, the T64 is absolutely worth looking at. It's consistent, reliable, and makes coffee prep feel effortless. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe for more. See you soon.